Hi everyone, today I'm going to review Lenovo ThinkPad T16 laptop. Wait a second, where it is, oh my god, where it is? Here it is. Today I'm going to review Lenovo ThinkPad T16 Gen 3 Intel Core Ultra 7, 32 GB of memory, Intel graphics, 2 TB SSD. This is some piece of beast. Never opened it. Brand new Lenovo ThinkPad T16. Price was 3,000 euros. Look at that beast. Never opened. Brand new. I think this is one of the best 16-inch laptop on the market. It's super fast. Great machine. Now let's open this box to see what is inside. Charging cable. Just charging cable. Okay. Now let's assemble it. Now let's plug this charging cable. Okay, we have some power. Now let's try to start it for the first time. Now it is setting up. Now it is starting up. Now let's connect to internet. Now it is checking for updates. Now good things are coming your way. Still waiting for the first start. Something is happening right now. Let's see what. Okay, now let's choose this. Now checking for updates. Okay, now downloading updates. Very nice features. Some tools. Okay, I will wait. While it is uploading, let's see some close-up of this beast. Intel V Pro inside. I like this touchpad very much. Very beautiful keys on this keyboard. Beautiful black color. ThinkPad logo. Very nice. Okay everyone, thank you for watching this video. This was just unboxing and first setup of this Lenovo laptop. I will inform you with a full review later. Thank you very much one more time and see you in my next video. Bye bye.